So, good morning folks, welcome to another video. Today I'm in Killarney and all I'm doing is just a recon. I've been to 3 locations already and I'm going to 2 more. I'm just looking for a few red stags with their harems and just looking for places where the rut is going to happen. Now I know everyone will tell you it happens everywhere, but it can be hard enough to find when you're looking for it then as well. Just down here, I'm actually sitting down having a break. There's a big open field. There's a stag there, maybe half dozen hinds with him, and a young stag has just literally walked across the field. So he stood up, started bellowing, and the young stag just done a boycott around him. It's actually funny to watch. The young buck definitely knew that it was a fight he wasn't going to win. I think we're a little bit early, a couple of days off, maybe a week, but the stags are definitely, their tongues are flapping. The young stags are practicing. There's a lot going on here. Killarney is absolutely beautiful. Like, we're going to come down next weekend. Hopefully the rut should be well into its prime, and there's a few of us coming down, so I'm looking forward to it. So as I said, I'm just down reconning, doing a small bit of video and a few photos, getting ready for next week's rut. So I've passed 2 or 3 photographers and they're sending me down this way. There's a lot going on here. There's a good few around, and I assume we all know that we're early, but we're definitely making sure we get the right locations. I'm looking forward to getting down here now. Like, I've just been told that there's 50-60 of them there, so it'll be cool to see. I found 2 fields with a stag with his harem, so it'll be interesting to see. Both of them are bellowing and like warning off competitors and that. So I'm looking forward to getting down into this field here where they say there's 50 of them down there, and see what the crack is. So as you can see in front of you, there's a lot of young stags and there's a couple of big bruisers. I'm pretty sure these boys are going to lock horns within the end of the week. It's going to be absolutely fantastic. Like today was amazing, so I can only assume it's going to get better. They then will divide all the hinds into their own harems, concubines, wives, whatever you want to call it, and then some of the challenges will become on trying to keep their hinds together and not them drift. So it's going to be a stressful time for the stags as well. I do believe he loses like 25 to 30% of his body weight in this rut. So I will say they look well bulked up at the moment, so it's going to be interesting to see. So the reason I'm doing a bit of recon is I came to do the rut last year and by the time I got here I came down a bit too late. It was in November. The stags had already their Harems gathered and they bellowed over and back to fields, but I didn't see any clashing at all. So my day is over. I'm going to start walking back to the car. If you have watched my video, thanks very much. I would ask you to please like and subscribe. It's free, hassle free. Give it a go. As I said, this video was just a recon for me to find the red deer and to find locations where they're going to be. I have 3 fields now found with deer, so I think the next video will be pretty amazing with loads of footage of the red deer rutting. I'm going to head home. Please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I'd say within the next week maybe we could have a video up of the rut, so stay tuned. And once again, thanks a lot, lads. Bye.